Hello everybody, how's it going? Alrighty guys, so I just got back from Godot Con 2 days ago. It was such an amazing event. Just to give you context, this year Godot Con was held in Munich, Germany at the German Microsoft headquarters. So before we continue, I just really want to give a big thank you to Microsoft for allowing us to have the conference there. The facilities were so perfect, everything was so comfortable, and it really made for an amazing experience. So what is GDCone? Well, it's a meeting point for all Godot developers or anybody interested in Godot to come together to chat. There was a bunch of talks that you can attend, really amazing ones. Workshops, you could bring your laptop, and in between all of these activities there was just really cool developers, people who contributed to Godot, people who just make games in Godot. There was also some areas where you could showcase your games, which I took a little visit around, and I have some footage of some really cool games. Let's talk about refreshments. Boy, were we taken care of. There was all the time snacks, buttery pretzels, and free drinks. Just everything was just so comfortable, and by the time lunch came, it was delicious. Not gonna lie, before the conference, I thought it was gonna be complete chaos. There was about 270-ish people. I was surprised. It was so comfortable, so well organized. No issues from what I could tell. Good job on the people who helped organize this event. Just the people who helped out at the event. You guys all did an amazing job. But if you don't believe me, I interviewed some people at the event, and let's hear what they had to say about it. How is the con so far?
It's awesome. Like, the vibe is great, the people are great, lots of stuff to talk about, connections to be made. Yeah, it's awesome.
Awesome. And what talks? So this is the second day, so what were some nice talks from yesterday?
So the one that I really enjoyed was actually one of the first ones. It was Clay John's, the future of rendering inside of Godot, which kind of really visualized a lot of stuff that we were going to get in the future versions, long term and short term. Yeah. And another one that I really liked was from Miguel de Cada, about like the Swift Godot extension that he's working on, and like a little bit about his really love for the Swift language.
Nice. Okay, that's awesome. And today, are you looking forward to any talks?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to plan to attend the Viewport talk from
that Viewport
Rafael
one.
Pixter. And he's going to talk about like the tech art stuff behind it and how you can use viewports for different visual effects.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Anything else you want to say?
No, just it's a really nice vibe, and we're definitely, it's going to be great.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye. How's the conference going so far?
Full of people, full of interesting people. There were some interesting talk yesterday.
Are you looking forward to any talks today?
I'm gonna go for the past, present, and future GD talk.
Oh yeah, that's the first one.
I know there are some other talks, but I have to check the schedule. So
Okay.
I'm not sure.
But good conference so far?
Very good conference. Really good insights and really good people.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Okay, I'm with BitBrain. How's it going, Miguel?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yes.
I'm very excited for today.
Yes, he's going to be giving a talk. How do you feel about speaking?
I'm a bit nervous, but it's going to be all right.
Okay. And how are you liking the conference so far?
It's actually amazing. The audience is great. Everyone is very excited. I met a lot of people today and yesterday. It's wonderful.
Yeah, definitely great conference. Yeah. Anything else you want to say?
Go Godot!
Woo! So yeah, the conference was unfortunately only 2 days long. I would have been so happy if it was a whole week. And they wrapped it up by having a really nice fireside chat with Emilio, Remy, and Christoph. So you can check it out here in the description. They talk a lot about the engine, how it's going, and at the end it was very sad to say goodbye to all the new people I met, the people I've been chatting with online. And it was pretty sad, but it was also exciting because the passion was contagious there. And you could see a lot of people who, from attending the conference, they just couldn't wait to go back and work on their game or work on their plugin or work on content. For those of you who came up and said hi, thank you. And it was so nice to actually see your faces, see the faces of the people actually consuming the content and get to know you. So now when I'm making videos, I can have a more clear conception and I can really speak to you guys. So I really appreciate everyone. And to go from talking to all these icons on X, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and then to see you guys in real life was just so fantastic and a lot more inspiring to feel the energy and to see everything. And just remember, everybody, that we're all part of the Godot engine. And whether you are actively contributing, whether you are making content, whether you are just talking about the engine, we are all building it up and we are all here to witness where this engine will go. And after going to this conference, I am so hopeful and excited for the future. Godot has been growing at an exponential rate. We are a part of that. So remember, guys, keep coding, keep making games, keep creating. Take care, everybody. Let's get to work. So this one is Robot Detour?
Yeah, Robot Detour, it's emerged from one of my game jams.
Okay.
So I've been developing Robot Detour for half a year.
Okay.
It's a puzzle game.
Okay.
So solo developer, so I'm working on this with my wife.
Oh.
She's drawing stuff, I'm doing everything
Oh,
else.
nice.
It has like, at first, simple mechanic of
Okay.
you are a robot on a wire.
Uh-huh.
A wire can like wrap around environment, and you need to deliver battery to your robot friends.
Okay.
But your wire can't touch enemies.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Yeah. So you need to like to think about how you like position your wire and like your routes.
Are you using a line 2D?
Yes, but like line 2D just for visualization. Like all magic is like behind, because like line 2D doesn't interact with
Okay.
stuff. And actually, if I use some physics engine, it would be like
Yeah.
not good.
Understandable.
And I wanted like to be very crisp. So
Honestly interested. And can we wishlist it?
yeah, it's actually already on Steam.
All right.
For 1 week.
Okay.
I mean, like already.
Nice.
There will be a demo somewhere in January, hopefully, if everything goes well, and release somewhere in summer next year.
Okay, so summer 2024?
Summer 24.
Alrighty, so are you guys working on this game together?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's
Okay.
also a third guy for sound, but he's not here.
Okay, there's a third sound designer?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is in Godot 4.
4.1 at the moment. We're
4.1.
planning to switch to 4.2 as it's
Okay. What is this game about?
It's a roguelike top-down shooter.
Okay.
The concept is that your only currency in the whole game is your health. So health works to buy items in the shop. It works as ammunition when you fight.
Can you regain health?
You regenerate automatically after a couple of seconds of downtime.
Okay.
And there's also health drops from enemies, so
Okay.
there's the option to regenerate health.
And how long have you guys been working on this?
I started an early prototype 1.5 years ago. So
Okay.
And showcased it at a convention. Had
Nice.
reasonably good feedback. And then I started it from scratch with the feedback I gained there, and that was in March. So in August the other two hopped on, and
Oh, okay, I got it. No, but the game feels really rewarding, fun, like that. Definitely you got the main gameplay loop. Anything else you guys want to say?
Download the game.
Okay.
It's downloadable.
Okay. But not yet.
Downloadable.
Alrighty. That's it. We'll just...
Thank you.
Bye.